All right, chilly morning. I'm gonna try getting the fluid in my rear end and get that put back together and get my wheels put on. It's 35 degrees in my shop, which means that it's pretty cold for Central Texas. That actually worked? No way. That normally never works for me. All right. Come here, Mocha. Come here, girl. Come here. Mocha, come here, girl. Come here. Get off the cold concrete. It's cold. There you go. Well, at least plug the heater in, huh? Get a little bit of heat going in here. All right. Supposed to be 2.5 quarts in the rear end of 75 W140. Whoops, and it slipped out. I got 2 in there. I had to go buy another one because that's all that they sent 2 when I bought the gasket kit. I think they assumed that I wouldn't get all of it out, but I did. And we just go until it comes out the top. It is thick, as you might imagine. I did have it in the house, even though it's 30-some degrees out. I had it in the house, so it was warm. This has a 331 rear gear with a, I believe it's called a torsion limited slip. It's pretty cool if you look it up. There's a whole, all these different ways that the gears go together to give it the basically a posi. Let's see where we're at. Oops, okay. Where's my rag at? Oh, now I need to find the plug. I know I had set it somewhere so I wouldn't lose it. That's always important. If you ever set it somewhere so you don't lose it, you got to remember where you put it. It's usually recommended. And I could have swore I put it up here. Ah, checking the magnetic bowl that you had out, Brandon. Let's see. Need a small extension. It's 15 and 10. The 10s like to walk away, and so I gotta catch them before they get away. Hey, girl. Come here, Mocha. Come here, girl. Come here. Let's shoot a little bit of lube onto that. see. Where did my son put the bolt? Shoot. Come here, Mocha girl. Come here. Mocha, come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here, Mocha. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. I gotta take, come here. Oh, there you go. There's a heater. You can sit in front of the heater, okay? Sweet girl. I gotta find the bolt for this. Have you seen it? Where? Stay there, girl. It's warm. Shoot. That's not it. Ha-ha. Good girl, Mocha. Where would he have put that? Oh, shoot. So hard to think of where I put my own stuff that I can't think of where other people might put stuff. It's the bolt that goes through here. It's got a head like that. Doggone it. It fell off. It wasn't my son that did it, it fell off. Okay, now we can figure out what size it is. If there's any mice in here, Mocha, it's your job to get them. We got mice that like to live here in the shop. Let's see. I need to pull this. mice like to eat the donkey food that we got. And Mocha will get the mice if she sees them, but she doesn't actively go looking for them all the time. Do you, girl? Today, provided it stays warm enough, I've got, hopefully I'm going to be showing one of the big tractors that I've got for sale. There's a guy up from Dallas who wants to come look at it, and he's interested in another tractor that I might be buying, but that guy works, the seller works for a electric company, and I think with this snap of winter weather we've had, he's kind of been out of pocket. So if he does answer me and is willing to sell that today, I'm going to be throwing my trailer on my truck and driving. And otherwise, I want to get the all the wheels put on this. I still need to put the motor oil in and hook the battery back up, and then I have a new handle for the driver's seat that allows me to raise and lower it. And then once this is done, then I have somebody interested in my Jeep that I have for sale, and they're gonna come look at it. Hopefully. I kind of want to wait till the weather gets nicer for that, because it's really cold out right now. And then my daughter's good friend that I've known since they were really young, I offered to rotate her tires a couple weekends ago because they were not looking good. And when I raised her car up, I messed up her radiator, and I got it fixed. It wasn't leaking when she left, but I did not want to leave her, just like I wouldn't my own child. I didn't want to leave her driving with a radiator that I didn't trust, so I ordered a new one. It was only $80, and I need to install that. She dropped it off. They're celebrating her birthday down in Austin, my daughter and her, and so I've got to put that radiator in. It should only take less than half an hour. Look at Mocha. Hi, girl. And then the Jeep, I have to put the front four-wheel drive vacuum harness on, and then hopefully sell that. I'm gonna put that on this hoist and just double check everything underneath. And then then I have a full engine harness for my 52 Ford to put on, and it wasn't reading from the oxygen sensors. It's not reading them, so it's not making adjustments to the fuel based on the oxygen. And so I need to replace that. Hey, girly. And that shouldn't, I don't know, it doesn't seem like it'll be too bad. I guess we will find out. All right. Are you enjoying the heat, girl? All right. Mochaccino. These are Proxys, Toyo Proxys 888Rs. was gonna clean my shocks before I put these back on, but I feel like they're just gonna get dirty again as I drive, like in wet weather and stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. Come on. Come on. It's only on this tire that they're kind of extra grabby, but I think it's the clearance between the impact socket and the rim, not the actual socket itself. So let's see if I have. Let's see if this makes a difference. I'm okay. Nope. It's the actual socket itself, so I don't know what size it would be. Crazy. Come on, old girl. Come on. The rest of these seem to be just fine with the impact socket, so I'm gonna get that back. I don't know. Seems like two of them are just kind of goofy on that one. Let's see. Let's just see how clean that comes. Yeah, I don't know that that's worth messing with. Probably just reach in there when I'm washing the car and get that. But I guess I'll do what I can right now just to kind of clean them up. That glass cleaner smells good as hell. Better than car brake cleaner. Sweet girl mocha, mocha is a sweet girl in a mocha. Alrighty. Alrighty, sir. The other thing I do is I got this tractor. It's a Farmall H. It was used for yard art, but it sat with a little bit of moisture in the oil pan for years. And I put a mix of 50-50 automatic transmission fluid and acetone. And I have had such good luck with that opening locked tractors up. I thought it would work, and it has not worked. So my goal, I pulled the oil pan off and I got the moisture out. I've got it sitting from underneath. I've put heat to it. I've sprayed a bunch of breakaway lubricant on it. It still hasn't come loose. And my friend Don came by and he was like, well, what are you gonna do? And I was like, well, I don't know. If I rebuild the engine, I'm still gonna have to get it to turn over. So I can't, quite figure out what that is. And he goes, well, what if you just loosen the bearings on, one by one on each of the pistons to see which piston it might be. So that's what we're gonna try. I don't know why this grabs like this on just a couple of them. Driving me crazy. Let's see if I can get this in there. Come on. Ah. Come on, old girl. You know you want to come out. Come on. You ever find yourself talking to the tool like, come on. Or to what you're working on. Jeez. All right, quit grabbing on like that. Not needed.